Today I get to do my ever first house tour, and this piece will forever be a classic. It means so much to me and my career. I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom modern kitchen with a rooftop overlooking Naguru Hill, Makerere Hill and Makerere Hill. This apartment comes fully furnished and serviced. It's located 200 meters away from Makerere University, 100 meters away from Ham Towers, 1 kilometer away from Naguru Hospital and 800 meters away from Ministry of Health. Well, that means to say this place is ideal for expatriates traveling here for work, research, or even a family holiday. I mean, this place is close to everything. Guys, my time here is done. I have to go. It is what it is. I'll see you in another one.